As a recap, earlier in the previous part, I was explaining how there is a strong possibility that during the 7-year tribulation period, Marduk will actually reveal his name to the world through his spokesman, the forthcoming Antichrist. The reason that I believe this may happen is because the Bible identifies Satan, i.e. Marduk, as incredibly boastful, proud, and basically full of himself. This is confirmed in the following Bible verses. Isaiah chapter 14 verses 12 to 15. How you are fallen from heaven, O Lucifer, son of the morning! How you are cut down to the ground, you who weakened the nations! For you have said in your heart, I will ascend into heaven, I will set my throne above the stars of God. I will also sit on the mount of the congregation on the farthest sides of the north. I will ascend above the heights of the clouds. I will be like the Most High. But instead, you will be brought down into hell, to the lowest depths of the pit. So after reading those verses, it is doubtful that such a narcissist as Marduk could resist revealing his true identity, i.e. Marduk, to the entire world. If we go back to this ancient Egyptian image of Marduk in the guise of Ra, the god of Egypt, as you can see, the serpent symbol of planet Nibiru with a snake wrapped around it is pictured above his head. But what does this mean? Well, according to Genesis chapter 3, Satan, i.e. Marduk, is portrayed as a slithering serpent or snake who tricked Eve in the Garden of Eden. Therefore, it would be logical to assume that the serpent snake wrapped around the Nibiru symbol suggests that Nibiru is the home of Marduk the serpent. In the following ancient Russian paintings, which date back to the 15th century, they depict the biblical story of the prophet Elijah ascending up into heaven on a fiery chariot. However, if you look close, it is clear that there appears to be a red planet displayed in the background of each of these paintings, which looks very much like planet Nibiru. Is there a hidden prophetic message in those vintage paintings shown in plain sight, which suggests that the prophet Elijah travelled to the Nibiru star system where he currently resides, until the future time period prophesied in the Bible when he is due to return to the earth during the 7-year tribulation. Okay, now bearing in mind the numerous Bible verses which refer to the ages, the current age, the end of the age, the coming age. According to science, astrology and astronomy, we are currently living in the age of Pisces. And at this moment in time, planet Earth is at the edge of the constellation of Pisces, which means that we are nearing the end of the age of Pisces. Therefore, the Earth will soon enter the constellation of Aquarius, which means that we will be in the age of Aquarius. And also at this same moment in time, TRAPPIST-1, i.e. the Nibiru star system, is currently at the edge of the constellation of Aquarius, and soon to enter into the constellation of Pisces. In other words, Earth and Nibiru are both headed towards the same vicinity, and soon to pass each other like ships in the night.